Hey guys, back with another video. So today we're gonna be playing Airplane Simulator. So let's start off with this plane. Okay, click. On the corner, you guys can see we have 60 speed. That go up in a little. So yeah, you guys hear that clicking? I'm not on the keyboard. Okay, let's start flying. Oh yes. Come on. We got this. First win. Nope, that's not even our first win. First win of the day. Oh, you increase speed as well, I think so. So I have 216 right now. Look at the bottom, guys. And now I have 284. Yeah, you increase in speed. You have auto one on. I think we were just going backwards. Okay, so far so good. Doing good. Okay, this is great. We're about to get our 10th win. Our 18th win, so. And then we have 517 speed. Now let's go rocket fuel. Come back tomorrow. Rebirth. What rebirth for 10,000? Damn. Okay. So we're gonna be heading over here. I don't know if we could reach that, but yeah, we're gonna reach that. And that's 25 wins. Good job. And now I'm there, and I passed that guy. Yeah, I'm only so slow right now. One of the slowest we could ever do. Okay, 43 wins. What do we have? Eggs. What type of eggs? I can't even move. Yeah, what happened? What happened? Can't move. There we are. Okay, so we're not gonna be going. We're gonna be buying some pets. Yes, sir. Okay, guys, I am going to Mexico, and I'm gonna record some videos there. So yeah. Okay, we got 100 plus speed. That's good. Okay, now we're actually fast. What the hell? Let's go. Almost there. I wish you could actually fly. I mean, we are flying. I'm going backwards. Zoom. 130 to what? 130 to nothing. I thought we gained speed. Okay. Oh, we just teleported to spawn. What am I doing? No. Teleport to spawn. Oh, we got a spin. Okay. Strange. Bruh, I hate you. Upgrades. Yeah, open my upgrades. I want to get upgrades. No. Bruh. At this point, there's nothing. Okay, we're actually gonna click now. Because we do indeed have a pet, which makes us way faster. Okay. Okay. 200, 200. 400, 300. 400 full bucks. 500. 600. 700. 738. It's good. Go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn. We're going really fast. Oh my god. I can't control it. We're doing auto. And it went, but now we're going slow. They do need fastness. Get over there. But we are going way faster. Pet's back. Nah. Oh, can't read. Bird. Do we got any potions? Nope. Good thing we have this pet, because we got 1,000 right now. We just need 95, then we'll head back to spawn and get the other egg. Come on, we're going so slow right now. I don't know if we're going fast and I'm being really stupid. Did you guys just see that guy who just passed us like 2 seconds ago? He was zooming, bro. I wish there was like a leaderboard, like no, a track right there on the bottom, so we could see. So we could see where we are. Like we're so I'm in the red zone. What? Yeah, red zone. Oh, creep. No. A fox. Oh, we're not doing Captain Move. Hell no. The fox is 500. Dang. That's barely what we got before. Click. Okay, 700, 700. Last time we got 1,999, I think so, with like the boosters, with the wins, and we just passed it without getting the boosts. Okay, come on, we're gonna be zooming. Oh my god, we exchanged mode. Yeah, we're winning, boy. But someone did pass us, but I think we're second. This fox is so good. 500. And they're both commons, damn. Okay, we're third place now. I think we're walking, because I still hear the walking noise. Look, yeah, I still hear the walking noise. Oh, backward. Let's do auto one. Planes. Okay. Stats. High score, 1,100. That's what we have right now. 12 pet power, 600. Oh. What? Oh yeah, 600, dog. What the heck? Okay, we got 50. And now back. We got a Libby in the stacks. I think I should leak the new song. I'm joking. We don't have a new song. I swear to God. I promise. Daily quest, we forgot to claim it. Man, hell yeah. Frick yeah. Okay, what do we get? What do we get? Another fox. On the back of my mind. Oh, I didn't even cry when you didn't cry. On the back of my mind, I did not cry. But you literally said you cried for your mama and then you died. Like, shut up, bro. You did cry. Like, shut up. Like, can you shut your mouth? Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. How much did we get now? 5 still. Yeah, we already beat the record that we had. We beat it without even having any pets. And have pets, but without the boost with the wins. On the back of my mind, I had a spine. 161,675. We're doing auto one. It's like on the back of my mind, I had a spine. And then when they took it out, they found it was a dumb mind. Well, we got an army. A dog, a fox, and a fox. Oh, that's scary because Fox is on the same team. Oh, this looks cool. Just in the middle. My name on top. Siraj Prince. Where is the J? It's not SARTAIPRAINC. It's SARTAJ. These games. Or is that a J and I'm over exaggerating? Go faster. Bro, 5 million wins would be incredible. 1 million wins, still incredible. 1K wins, still incredible. 10K wins, even more incredible. On the back of your mind, I had a spine. And then it broke. And then I had to go cry. And now we're gonna go head back. And to get more eggs. And then we will die. And then we will have a Ben. On the back of my mind, I changed. Don't tell me I got this thing again. It's my settings, always. I mean, not click, but I need to summon these eggs. What's 95? How much is this? 475. We could get that. We could get that. What is it? Wait. 475. Yeah, we can get that. Easy. We have full power already because we're gonna start like that. No, in first place right now. We got past again. It's like we only got past once. I kinda see that guy. And then we're like, oh no, he passed me. Oh no, he passed me. Why every time I have to go do it? Oh, he's actually better than me. What the hell did I do? In the world did I do? Yes, this man freaking left. Gotta buy the ENIF. I'll just get the ENIF. I'm not getting that. There's no way. Now, what the hell is this goofy ass plane? We're going the slowest we can right now. I think we should just leave and come back, because that will give us more wins. Okay, go. See, 1 win, 2 wins, 5 wins. Yeah, it gives us more if you just go back when it's gonna get really freaking slow. Guess through back. I'm obsessed with that meme. Oh my god. And now we're just gonna go back, spawn, and go again. Just like that. 3,500 speed. Easy. I don't think we're gonna get the 25. Never mind, we will. Can we? 4. Yeah, we got it. Easy. Only a couple more left. Bada bing, bada boom. And now get ready to cook. Okay, we're cooking. You get 21 per. Oh yeah, we're beating up with the record. We're beating up record. The record was 3,500, but we get that. We get that. Without clicking. No. We got there with the boost. And we already beat it. Without the boost. Now let me check my stats. Okay, full speed. Let's check our stats. Our score. Yep. 395 now. 390.84. Total wins 672. No. Total. Time played 16 minutes. Okay, we have enough. But this we're gonna be ending off the vid. What will we get? We got the eagle. Let's check how much is the eagle. 1,500. That's gonna be the end of today's video. So bye guys.